NIO has always focused on rechargeable, replaceable, and upgradable. We are the brand with the most chargers deployed in China. We have 21,000 chargers across the country, and they are all open to public. 80% of our chargers' electricity has served other brand users, but charging cannot be as fast as swapping, right? There are many advantages of battery swapping, such as better user experience. You don't need to get out of the car. It doesn't matter if it's windy or rainy. Actually, it saves money for drivers, and also saves a lot of resources for the society.
Achievement, innovation, and competition. Something amazing just happened with the electric vehicle industry. Every year, the EV Person of the Year award recognizes individuals who have made significant contributions to the advancement of electric vehicles. This year, William Li, the CEO of NIO, secured the prestigious title. His leadership and innovations have not only propelled NIO to the forefront of the EV market, but have also influenced the industry as a whole. How will Li's recognition impact the future of electric vehicles?
Our revenue growth was faster than that of the entire EV market. They grew by 24.7% and we grew by 30%. Our share in the high-end market is still very stable, but it is undeniable that we invested a relatively large amount in research and development last year, 13.4 billion yuan. We also invested a lot in infrastructure. In 2023, we built more than 1,000 battery swapping stations. With all these investments, plus the fierce competition in the market, there was still a gap between our gross profit and our expectations. We faced a loss. However, with the gradual release of our new products and the steady improvement of our gross profit margin, we believe that the loss will definitely narrow in the long run.
NIO CEO William Li clinched the prestigious title of EV Person of the Year, marking a significant milestone for both him and the company. This recognition came at the 2024 TopGear.com Electric Awards, reflecting Li's impactful contributions to the electric vehicle industry. One notable achievement was NIO's pioneering launch of semi-solid-state batteries for mass market use, a groundbreaking move that sets a new standard in EV technology. Additionally, Li's strategic deals across China to implement NIO's battery swap technology as a standard feature in future cars have solidified his influence in shaping the future of EVs. Amidst these advancements, NIO is gearing up to unveil its first mass-market car in May, further underscoring Li's commitment to driving innovation in the EV sector. Despite challenges, such as a 40% decline in NIO's stock value for the year, Li's leadership continues to propel NIO forward, cementing his position as a key figure in the EV industry. Another piece of good news for the company came in March when NIO reported a substantial increase in its monthly deliveries. The numbers showed a remarkable 46% sequential growth compared to the previous month, with a 14.3% increase from the same period last year. This surge in deliveries brings NIO close to reaching 500,000 total deliveries to date, signifying its growing presence in the EV market. BBC's Jack Ricks highlighted NIO's strategic expansion efforts, particularly in rolling out battery swap stations across Central Europe. This move, if successful, could further solidify NIO's position as a major player in the car industry. Moreover, market analysts like Crispus Nyaga are optimistic about NIO's future, expecting its stock to hit $7 in the near term. However, Nyaga also anticipates a potential downturn afterward. NIO's recent success in deliveries and its forthcoming launch of the lower-priced onvo brand reflects the company's strategic growth trajectory. With the introduction of the onvo L60 model designed to compete with Tesla's Model Y, NIO aims to capture a broader market segment, potentially boosting its sales and market share. Analyst, tariffs, reduction. However, despite all the hype surrounding NIO, there's been a notable shift in investor sentiment. Scottish investment firm Baillie Gifford, known for its long-term investment strategies, made headlines by slashing its stake in NIO stock by a staggering 83% in the first quarter. This move reflects a significant loss of confidence in NIO's prospects, especially considering the substantial decline in the company's stock performance, down by about 35% both year-to-date and year-over-year. Baillie Gifford's decision to reduce its stake in NIO is part of a broader trend, as the firm also cut its holdings in Tesla, albeit to a lesser extent. Instead, Baillie turned its attention to Rivian, increasing its stake in the electric vehicle startup by a remarkable 714%. This shift in investment strategy indicates a recalibration of priorities and a move away from NIO and Tesla. The timing of Bailey Gifford's divestment from NIO coincides with a negative catalyst looming on the horizon for Chinese EV companies. The Biden administration's plan to increase tariffs on imported Chinese EVs from 25% to 100% poses a significant threat to NIO's expansion into the United States. While the immediate financial impact on NIO may be limited, the tariffs could hinder its long-term growth prospects and deter its plans for international expansion. Overall, Bailey Gifford's drastic reduction in its NIO stake, coupled with the impending challenges posed by increased tariffs, paints a challenging picture for the Chinese EV company.
But you know, we launched our second brand this year, which is Onvo. We hope this brand can enter the mass market, the mainstream market, given its high price to performance value. Of course, this means it will face even more fierce competition, but I'm confident it'll do well in the market.
Onvo, competition, catalyst. Now, let's zoom in closer to NIO's official unveiling of its new sub-brand, Onvo, and its inaugural model, the L60, aiming to take on Tesla's Model Y. On May 15, 2024, NIO commenced pre-sales of the L60 at 219,900 yuan or $30,440, positioning it 30,000 yuan below the starting price of the Model Y. This strategic move marks NIO's foray into the mass market segment, with Onvo designed to cater to families, complementing its existing upscale offerings. Under the leadership of AI Taicheng, a former Disney executive, Onvo enters the arena with a robust foundation, leveraging NIO's extensive R&D investments and resources accumulated over the past decade. The L60, unveiled at the launch event, showcases NIO's commitment to innovation, featuring a cutting-edge 900-voltage high-voltage architecture for enhanced energy efficiency. With a remarkable CLTC energy efficiency of 92.3%, the L60 boasts the lowest wind resistance of any production SUV globally, translating to a commendable energy consumption of just 12.1 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. This model heralds the debut of NIO's next-generation vehicle platform, NT 3.0, signaling a paradigm shift in the company's technological prowess. Customers eager to embrace the future of mobility can now place pre-orders for the L60, with enticing incentives such as a pre-sale price reduction and the option to offset purchase costs. Scheduled for market release and deliveries in September, the L60 is poised to revolutionize the electric vehicle landscape with its battery swap compatibility, ensuring seamless charging experiences and lowering entry barriers for potential buyers. As part of NIO's extensive infrastructure network, the L60 will have access to over 1,000 battery swap stations at launch, underscoring the company's commitment to convenience and accessibility. Additionally, with NIO's robust charging infrastructure comprising thousands of stations across China, the L60 promises uninterrupted journeys for its owners. The core specifications of the L60 position it as a formidable competitor to the Tesla Model Y, boasting comparable dimensions and impressive range capabilities. While specific details regarding the battery pack remain undisclosed, the L60 offers standard and long-range variants with impressive CLTC ranges, further bolstering its appeal to prospective buyers. Furthermore, the incorporation of advanced technology, such as 4D imaging radar, underscores NIO's relentless pursuit of safety and innovation. With the inclusion of this cutting-edge feature, the L60 sets a new standard for obstacle recognition and collision prevention, enhancing the overall driving experience and safety. In addition, the Onvo L60 is equipped with an NVIDIA Orin X chip, providing 254 TOPS of computing power for its assisted driving system. This stands in contrast to current NIO models, which feature 4 Orin X chips, totaling 1,016 TOPS. Unlike NIO models' vertical screens, the L60 sports a horizontal 17.2-inch center screen and retains the HUD system instead of a traditional dashboard. But before we move on, we just want to thank you for watching this far. Set to rival Tesla's Model Y, the L60 faces stiff competition. Tesla's Model Y dominated sales in China in 2023 with 456,394 units sold, comprising 75.6% of Tesla's total sales in the country. Despite challenges, NIO CEO William Li has expressed confidence in the L60's competitiveness, highlighting its anticipated affordability and superior features compared to the Model Y. However, penetrating the Model Y-dominated market won't be easy. Numerous contenders have emerged in the Chinese EV market over the years, yet none have posed a significant threat to Tesla's dominance. In the January-April period alone, the Model Y sold 126,722 vehicles in China, a figure comparable to NIO's sales in the first 10 months of 2023 and surpassing Xpeng's sales in the first 11 months of the previous year. One potential game changer for the L60 is its battery-as-a-service pricing strategy. If onvo can offer substantially lower starting prices without batteries and attractive battery rental fees, it could alter the competitive landscape significantly. This pricing approach could make the L60 a compelling option for consumers, presenting a unique selling proposition in the highly competitive Chinese EV market. Now, with all the recent developments in mind, NIO appears to be positioned for significant growth in the electric vehicle market. The launch of its onvo sub-brand and the introduction of the L60 model to compete with Tesla's Model Y signify NIO's commitment to expanding its market share and catering to a broader range of consumers. Furthermore, NIO's innovative approach to battery technology, including the development of semi-solid-state batteries and battery swap stations, underscores its dedication to addressing common concerns such as range anxiety and charging infrastructure. However, NIO faces stiff competition, particularly from established players like Tesla, as well as emerging contenders in the Chinese EV market. Despite this, NIO's strong brand recognition, technological advancements, and strategic partnerships position it well for future success. So, how do you think NIO's competitive strategy will fare against the backdrop of increasing competition and shifting consumer preferences? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know about NIO's plans this 2024, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.